need your help. I started mining QUAI about 4 weeks ago, and I've done okay, I think, generally speaking, even though when I started it was like 10 cents a coin. Now it's like 4, but that's okay. But I'm stuck, it looks like. We're gonna look at my wallet. I'm gonna actually give you the wallet address so you can help and help me understand. I've gotten some of it released, but a lot of it has not been released, and I'm confused. I have a video coming up of the fact that my printer's gone. No more 3D printer. Point being is I have a new one on the way. And I am excited about this. I'm gonna get 2 to 4 more bit axes. One of the challenges that I have for the cooling tower is that I'm not sure what, the new ones that are coming out, like the dual and other ones, I'm gonna get them from Solo Satoshi, if they are the same size. So I already have 2 for here. I'm gonna get at least 2 more, and that way, so you can see down inside there, I'm basically taking the cube with those 4 and I'm pulling the air up this way. So I'll have 4 here kind of upside down, and I'm gonna get twice the effort out of one fan, which is kind of cool. And so this guy right here has been the QUAI mining master. I don't know, I'm gonna say you're gonna be pretty hard pressed to find a better home miner than the Nano 3S. There's a lot of options, but bang for your buck, I don't think it's beatable. All right, so here's the deal. Like I said, I started mining QUAI, and I know that they lock it up for, is it 14 days? And I'll show you a screenshot of my wallet, which I know is probably stupid, but I'm gonna do it anyway, because if I don't have it in my wallet, does it freaking matter anyway? I had 168 QUAI show up in my wallet, and I have, we'll look here in a second, about 470-ish more that are in lockup, but it's been days between when I got that first 168 and when the remainder are not coming out for some reason. So I'm gonna give you the wallet address so you can actually search it out, and I hope that you can tell me what the hell's going on, because I feel like I should get daily deposits in my wallet, but I'm not. So something's going on. Maybe Red Panda, he can look at this, because it's his freaking fault that I'm mining this crap anyway. I will say QUAI, assuming it ever gets to your wallet, is the most profitable SHA-256 algorithm or coin right now, from what I can tell, based on BCH and BTC on a daily kind of pool, or not pool, I guess, because I'm solo mining QUAI. I'm also solo mining BCH right now. I did a month-long mining rig rental, about 100 terahash mining rig, so it cost me about 250 bucks. But if it pays off and actually hits a block, that's like $1,500. So I could do that every damn month. Okay, well, let's dig into the computer, and you hopefully can help me figure out what the heck's going on. All right, here you can see there's my wallet address, and I'll actually paste it into the description down below so you can do the search. You can see right now I have a total combined 23 terahash per second, averaging 23.5, and total shares since I've been doing this, 572,000, quite a few. Last 24 hours, no shares. That's kind of important. But if we go to my earnings, we can see in the 24 hours that there hasn't been any, but in 7 days, 65 QUAI. I'm afraid to look and see if these are like values that could have solved a Bitcoin block or a BCH block. I haven't done the math to figure that out. But you can see here, like I was saying, the Nano is just the best home miner. It really is. Short of a Avalon Q, I do think that the new Flu miner is kind of dumb. Sorry to everyone who's reselling it, but it's a industrial miner in a home miner's clothing. There's no way you're gonna plug that thing into a wall outlet in your house and have it run. I could be wrong. Prove me wrong. Send me one. I'll try. But it's just ridiculous amount of power draw that it has. So I will qualify and say that I do think that the Avalon Q is the best home miner, but that's a couple grand ish, $1,500 to $2,000. Some resellers for $3,000, which whatever. But for under grand, the Nano 3S, I have 2 of them. You can see here, found a block on the 21st, 20th. This is my overclocked. Well, they're all overclocked. This is my most overclocked bidax, and it runs about 1.85 terahash on a pretty consistent basis. Nano, another bidax, nano, bidax, nano 3, not S, nano. Okay, so there you go. You kind of got the idea. I think the nano just plugs away. It does a great job, and kind of no maintenance. Just turn it on and it mines. All right, so here's the issue. Go to my assets. I've had this 168 for a long damn time, probably maybe almost a week. I got that all at once, and then I haven't gotten anything since. And there's probably a way to look and see. Well, I know there is because I found it originally. Let's see here. Is it not soap tracker? Let's copy my address. Copy the full address. There's my address. Okay, so you can see. Let's go to move me. Let's go to first. So this shows the most recent. Is it taking a second? All right, let's try this again. All right, now this shows you the most recent blocks that I've discovered. 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4, 5, 6, a week ago. Why I'm showing you this is that you can see it's pretty consistent how often I'm hitting blocks. So it is 2 weeks, 14 days that they are in lock. So that's the first page, second page. Yeah, so I've been mining them for about a month. Let's go to 3 weeks ago. But anyway, it doesn't show you on here Coinbase, success. There's nothing on here that shows you when they're locked or released from lock. So let's look at this one, the bottom of page 1. 2 weeks ago, February 9th. So the 9th plus 14 would be the 23rd. So that one should still be locked. So we'll go back. We'll go to the first one in page 2. 9th as well. 8th should be released to me now. But I don't see where it has been. What is this? Status and method. Coinbase. 8th would be 22. That'd be today. Right? So let's go back to this one and see what. Yeah, it has that same message. So I'm at a loss. I need your help. Should I be? Who's the manager? Connect with your manager. I want my damn money. I want my $2. Extra points if you get the movie reference. Anyway, yeah, it's just stymied by this. I'm like, well, maybe I should just freaking stop mining QUAI. I'm just burning electricity and not getting the coins. Anyway, help me out, please. I would like to have these funds released to my wallet. I think that'd be great. And if they won't, then I can go back to mining something else. I will say mining QUAI has been fun. I've had a little less success today than I have in most more current days. 24 hours. You can see my hash rate there over 24 hours. But yeah, I mean, QUAI is fun as long as I actually eventually do get the money. All right, thanks for checking it out. I will very much appreciate your feedback and help me understand what the heck's going on. Comment below, DM me, I don't know, smoke signals, whatever. Help me out. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.